Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, we'll be discussing the major difference between explosion and fire. Now discussing the fire. Fire is caused when a substance rapidly consumes oxygen to produce heat and light. In this process, oxygen is considered as input, while heat and light are considered as output. Now discussing the definition of explosion. Explosion is an event where energy rapidly expands outward from the source. It may create a damaging shock wave. Explosion is referred to as extreme outburst of energy. Fire and explosion are two independent terms. For example, a fire may not cause an explosion. Let's consider an example in which there are some woods that are burning at a very slow pace. In this case, they are causing fire. But this system is not an example of an explosion. On the other hand, explosions can happen without fire. For example, let's suppose you have a tank filled with gas. In case the tank explodes, the material inside it expands, and it may not cause a fire at the beginning. Now, encapsulating the whole idea, we can say that fire and explosion differ in two ways. Fire is less harmful. On the other hand, explosion is more harmful. The second difference is, in fire, energy released at a very slow rate, while on the other side, in case of an explosion, energy is released at a very high rate. There are some similarities between fire and explosion as well. For example, both the fire and explosion give off high temperature. They give off smoke. At the same time, they give off light. This was all about today's video. In order to learn few more interesting facts, stay tuned to this YouTube channel.